Olanka by name, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. For those that have been asking for Yoruba tutor, here I am. I'm Olanka by name, and I'll be your Yoruba tutor. And let's get started in today's lesson. We are going to be looking at days of the week. Days of the week in Yoruba. Language is very interesting, and I want you to know that whatever we speak in English, we also speak in Yoruba language too. But a lot of people have just been asking, what is this? What is this in Yoruba? So today we are going to look at days of the week, and that is Ọjọ́ Inú Ọ̀sẹ̀. That's what they call it in Yoruba, Ọjọ́ Inú Ọ̀sẹ̀. And as we know that in English, we have 7 days of the week. And same here in Yoruba too, it is also 7 days. And the first day of the week is Sunday. We have Sunday. I'm going to be mentioning the days of the week, and I'm going to say it in Yoruba. And I want you to stay back as we both enjoy the class together. Now, Sunday, that's Ọjọ́ Àìkú. Sunday, Ọjọ́ Àìkú. Monday, Ọjọ́ Ajé. Ọjọ́ Ajé. Tuesday, Ọjọ́ Ìṣẹ́gun. Wednesday, Ọjọ́rú. Wednesday, Ọjọ́rú. Thursday, Ọjọ́bọ̀. Thursday, Ọjọ́bọ̀. Friday, Ọjọ́ Ẹtì. Saturday, Ọjọ́ Àbámẹ́ta. Let me take it again. Sunday, Ọjọ́ Àìkú. Sunday, Ọjọ́ Àìkú. Monday, Ọjọ́ Ajé. Tuesday, Ọjọ́ Ìṣẹ́gun. Wednesday, Ọjọ́rú. Thursday, Ọjọ́bọ̀. Friday, Ọjọ́ Ẹtì. Saturday, Ọjọ́ Àbámẹ́ta. There's a song they used to sing while we were still in school, and I want us to learn this song together. It's very simple, very, very simple. And the song goes thus: Àìkú, Ajé, Ìṣẹ́gun, Ọjọ́rú, Ọjọ́bọ̀, Ẹtì, Àbámẹ́ta. Can you take it again? Àìkú, Ajé, Ìṣẹ́gun, Ọjọ́rú, Ọjọ́bọ̀, Ẹtì, Àbámẹ́ta. Now, I want you to sit down, learn the song, and in the next video, we are going to be looking at the month of the year. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am Olanka by name. Bye.